Are you a beginner to Revit? Do you want to learn how to create and modify walls and curtain walls? Then just watch this. Hey, what's up friends? This is Master BIM. And this is second part of Revit tutorial. If you don't watch the first part, just go and check by clicking here or link in the description. Today we are going to learn creating and modifying walls and curtain walls. In this topic we have 5 main subtopics. First, understanding wall types and parameters. Second, creating numerous wall configurations. Third, modifying walls. Fourth, creating curtain walls. And fifth, modifying curtain walls. Then first one. Understanding wall types and parameters. Revit has 3 fundamental types of walls: basic, stacked, and curtain walls. Basic walls. The Revit Architecture default template includes several wall types. The most basic wall types have no detailed structure and are named with the prefix generic for easy identification. Other wall types have highly detailed structures known as layers. Each layer is assigned a function, material, and thickness. The function of a wall layer determines how it will join when multiple wall types intersect or when a wall intersects another element such as a floor. On the Architecture tab in the ribbon, click the Wall tool. In the Type selector at the top of the Properties palette, select the generic -140 mm masonry wall type, and then click Edit Type just below the Type selector. Click the Preview button at the lower left in the Type Properties dialog to see a graphic sample of the wall type. In the structural region of this wall is defined by a diagonal crosshatch pattern. This is a basic wall with only one pattern defining the wall's material. Now go to the Type drop-down and select the wall type exterior, brick on MTL. Stud, and you'll see the difference. This is a profile associated to the basic wall type. Although you can manually add profiles to walls in your project on a case-by-case basis, we think you'll find that adding them to the wall definition makes creating and updating wall types easy and quick. Next, stacked walls. Stacked walls consist of basic wall types but are combined vertically in a single defined type. Any basic walls can be used to create a stacked wall. To find the stacked wall types, start the Wall tool, access the Type selector, and go to the bottom of the list. Select the wall type exterior, brick over CMUW metal stud, and click the Edit Type button. This wall type is defined by 2 different basic walls, but you can add more if necessary. Note that you can't combine stacked walls or add curtain walls to your stacked wall. Next, curtain walls. Curtain walls are more complex than basic walls or stacked walls. They consist of 4 elements: a simple wall segment definition, curtain grids, panels, and mullions. Curtain wall types can be completely instance-based, allowing each to vary, or can be driven entirely by the wall type properties that set grid spacing, panels, and mullion types for interior and border condition. Then now we can go to the second main subtopic: creating numerous wall configurations. Let's start adding some walls to the current project. First, open the Level 1 floor plan view, and click the Wall command. Notice in the ribbon on the Draw panel that a number of configurations are available for creating walls. You can see a variety of options for sketching wall segments as well as 2 icons with arrows that indicate options you can choose from to pick line segments on which to place walls. Now we can sketch walls in various configurations by using the options in the Draw panel of the ribbon. In the following steps, we can perform some freeform wall sketching exercises to become familiar with the Draw options. Now we can learn how to use the tangent end arc and fillet arc configurations to append wall segments to existing wall elements. I am going to draw in a layout I already drawn. Our goal is to complete the layout of the walls according to the dashed lines shown in the floor plan. In the upper right corner of the layout, the two perpendicular walls must be joined with a radius wall segment. Select either one of the wall segments, right-click, and select Create Similar from the context menu. Now on the Draw panel, in the ribbon, select the Fillet Arc option. Click one wall segment and then the other perpendicular segment. After you click the second wall segment, a curved segment appears. Place the curved segment near the layout line. Before you continue, click the radial dimension value and change it to 2000 mm. The wall command should still be active, so select the two perpendicular walls in the lower right corner of the layout, and repeat same steps. Notice the difference in using the Fillet Arc option to either close the gap on two wall segments or trim back two walls that are already connected. With the wall command remaining active, return to the Draw panel in the ribbon, and select the Tangent Arc option. Click the left end of the wall segment at the bottom of the layout, and then click the left end of the wall segment at the top to complete the tangent arc wall. Your results should look like this. You can also create walls by picking lines. This approach is helpful if you have a CAD file that needs to be converted to BIM or if a preliminary layout was created in another tool such as SketchUp. In this exercise, a preliminary layout has been drawn with detail lines in the sample project. We will use these lines to generate walls. Choose the Pick Lines option in the Draw panel in the ribbon. On the Options bar, set the location line to position the wall in relation to the picked path. In the first set of lines in the sample file, pick each individual line segment to place walls. On the second set of lines, use the Chain Select method to place all the wall segments at once. Hover your mouse pointer over one of the line segments, and press the Tab key once. When the chain of lines is highlighted, click the mouse button to place the complete chain of walls. Walls can host other types of elements that are meant to create openings. As long as the walls exist, the elements they are hosting exist as well. Doors and windows are examples of commonly used hosted elements. Placing a door in a wall is very easy and can be done in plan, elevation, or 3D view. In this exercise, we will place doors from the Level 1 view. On the Architecture tab, select the Door tool on the Build panel. You may notice that you can place doors only in walls. This is because door families are hosted elements and cannot exist without a host. Because of this relationship, hosted elements are automatically deleted if you delete a host element such as a wall. As you are placing doors in walls, you're shown temporary dimensions that will help you place the door closer to its correct location. That's all for today. Remaining topics will be discussed in next video. So just wait. I will back. Don't forget to click like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorials. We have now 36 subs by just one tutorial. If you help we can achieve 100 subs soon. If you have any query just comment below. And you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching.